Hi everyone, this is Karishma, and I will be sharing my language cultural contact presentation number 2. Let's get started. So how did I spend my 4 hours? I was looking at the influenza page on the CDC website. Flu season is ahead. I got sick. I thought this would be a great way to learn about influenza. So I looked at the first 4 pages on the site. The first one was getting vaccinated / vacunesa. So some of the cognates that I found were influenza, which is flu, vacuna, which is vaccine, syndrome de Guillain-Barré, which is Guillain-Barré syndrome, alergias, which is allergies, and recombinada, which is recombinant. That was discussing like a recombinant type of flu vaccine that they were talking about getting. Okay, the next page was preventative steps / medidas de prevención. The cognates I found were antivirales and disinfecte, which was antivirals and disinfectant. The new vocabulary that I learned was desaparición, which at first I thought was desperate, and then when I looked it up, it was actually disappearance, so that was different. And then another one was escalofríos, which is actually shaking chills, whereas in English we would just say the chills or the shakes. They kind of have a combination for the two. Okay, next page was symptoms / síntomas. So cognates I found here were fatiga, crónico, and interacción. So first one was fatigue, then chronic, and then interaction. New vocab that I found was busque, which in terms of context, busque, first of all, it means searched or search, basically. And this was in context to like searching for medical attention. And then the other vocab that I learned was lagrimas, which are tears. They were talking about symptoms for like newborn babies. So basically, like if they're not developing enough tears, that could be a sign that they might have the flu, along with other symptoms, of course. And then the last page I found was flu treatment / tratamiento de la influenza. So the cognates I found here were precauciones, which is precautions, antifebriles, which is antifebrils or lowering fever medications, and then germenes, which are germs. I also realized I didn't actually, for the first one, I didn't discuss what the cognates were. I know they're technically, we should know what they are, but I'll go back and just kind of repeat those. So, oh wait, actually I did, just kidding. Okay, let me go towards the end. So the cultural nuances here, I messed up. I hate when this happens.